Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to learn data structure. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to learn data structure. Learning data structures is a fundamental aspect of computer science and programming. Mastering data structures can greatly enhance your ability to design efficient algorithms and solve complex problems. Here are some steps to help you learn data structures effectively. Number 1. Understand the basics. Start by grasping the fundamental concepts of data structure such as arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and hash tables. Understand their properties, advantages in use cases. Number 2. Choose a learning resource. There are various ways to learn data structures, including books, online tutorials, video courses, and interactive coding platforms. Choose a resource that suits your learning style. Number 3. Online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer excellent data structure courses. This can provide you with a structured learning paths and practical examples. Number 4. Practice coding. Data structures are best learned through hands-on practice. Implement the data structures yourself in the programming language of your choice. Common languages for this purpose are Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. Number 5. Solve problems. Solve coding challenges and problems that involve data structures. Websites like LetCode, HackerRank, and CodeForces offers a wide range of exercises to test and improve your skills. Number 6. Analyze complexity. Understand the time and space complexity of different data structures and their operations. This knowledge will help you choose the most suitable data structure for specific scenarios. Number 7. Study algorithms. Data structures and algorithms go hand in hand. Learn common algorithms like searching, sorting, and graph traversal, as they often utilize various data structures. Number 8. Work on projects. Build small projects that involve data structures. For instance, create a simple contact book using linked lists or implement a basic search engine using hash tables. Number 9. Review and refactor. After solving problems or implementing data structures, review your code and look for ways to optimize it. Refactor and improve your implementations. Number 10. Collaborate and discuss. Use coding communities or forums where you can discuss data structures with other learners or experienced programmers. Sharing knowledge and learning from others can be beneficial. Number 11. Read source code. Take a look at the source code of data structure implementations in popular libraries or open source projects. Understanding real-world use cases can deepen your understanding. Number 12. Stay consistent. Learning data structures can be challenging, but consistency is key. Dedicate regular time to practice and review what you learned to enforce your knowledge. Remember, learning data structures is not one-time activity. Continuously challenge yourself with new problems and explore more advanced data structures and algorithms as you progress. Consistent practice and active problem solving are crucial to mastering data structures. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to learn data structure. Thank you so much. Big thanks for your support by watching, like, comment, and most importantly by subscribing if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.